Hi guys, welcome to our house tour. So this is the main door. This is the main entrance. So when you enter the house, you start from the living room. Yeah, so the living room is not that big. Here we have our couch, another couch, and the space here is small. We couldn't fit the table that we have, so we had to move it somewhere in the house. You will see. And then this is our TV area. Yes, this is our TV area. We have some flowers there and our TV. So yes, this is where we sit and have a good time as a family. Yeah, then there's this space here where we put our laptops. Our router for internet is there. Yeah, so basically this is our living room space. Then there are these two small chairs. My kids have outgrown them. I think I will give them out. They don't fit there anymore. Then we have our water dispenser. Yes, I can give you another look again. Then from here, we are moving to this space here where we have our laundry basket. And also, this is where we wash our hands. And there's a light here because it's a bit dark when you want to use the mirror. Yeah, so this is where we wash our hands and brush our teeth. And down here also, these are extra toys for my babies. Yeah, and then there's this glass mirror here, which is it is, I wouldn't say it's dirty because I've tried scrubbing and the things I think are on the back of the mirrors, they don't come off. Yeah, so we continue. So the next one, the door that I'm showing you right now, this is our toilet come bathroom. And you see the white things on the floor? I've really tried scrubbing them and they're not coming off. I was told, okay, Happy told me that it's called grout. When they were installing the tiles, blah, blah, blah. So, this is our toilet cum bathroom. This is the size. And I have this bathroom organizer. You've seen it before. And it has our shower gel, some self-care items, hair shampoo, yeah, our bathing soap, and shower cape and everything. And this here should be our tissue holder. It's broken, so the tissue is on top of that whatever there. Yeah, so this is how it is, the bathroom. That over the door hanger, you know it, and these two stickers there that I bought. Yes, so that's how our bathroom cum toilet is. I think I'll do some little renovation or not. I'm not sure though. Yeah, but that is how it is. And also out here we have shoes. These are our house shoes for me and the kids. Then you turn again on your left, and this is the kitchen area. These bottles and those containers are for drinking water. Water around here is salty, so we buy drinking water. Yeah, so you continue on like this, and you find our fridge over here, and there's this organizer where we put our serviettes, and then you find also our microwave. This counter space here holds the microwave, toaster, our electric kettle, and the blender. And then also this organizer here has most of the things that we use every day. Like here we have drinking chocolate, cooking oil, sugar, Blue Band, and our teas. Yes, so that's how that counter space looks. And then we have also these drawers. We have our spices in here. Down here we have cups, spoons, and this other one has our kitchen clothes. These are bottles, water bottles. So the lower counter space has utensils that we use on a daily basis, and the ones up here, there, and also up there kabisa, the utensils that we rarely use. And on this end we have our cooker. It's a 3-burner and 1 electric plate. Then you come to this counter space again. You'll have our dish rack, flasks, and up here also are dishes that we don't use every day. And down here, yes, that's where we keep our flour and all that. On this other side also we have our kitchen sink and some more extra storage space. This one here, one acts like our pantry, and the other one we store our sufurias. And on this end is the washing machine. That is the only place it could fit. Our balcony is full. Yeah, and that is the kitchen back door. Then from here now, from the kitchen, you walk straight on. You come to the kids' bedroom. So now we are entering the kids' room. This is how it looks. This room fits 2 beds. The beds are 3.5. So this side, this is my son's side, and this other one is my daughter's side. I bought the beds a while ago from at Ngong Road. Yes. Then here we have an extra mattress, and this is my daughter's bonnet. We normally keep it there. Yeah, so that is how the room is. Then now we are walking towards their closets. Yeah, so those are their clothes, school uniform and their regular clothes. I will not open these drawers because that's where we keep their innerwears, and I don't want them to feel like I didn't respect their privacy. So also here is the next closet space. As you can see from up there, these are the duvets, and yeah, that's where we've stored them. And down here, those are my daughter's clothes, my son's clothes, and down there, those are our traveling bags. And on this side, those are their towels, bathrobe. Yeah, we used to hang the other bathrobe here, but the thingy took an ad, so we had to improvise. So basically, this is how my kids' room look like, with their teddy bears there, and another one on the bed. I presume that's my grandchild. Yeah, so basically this is how their room is. Yeah. And as for the bed sheets, the pillow covers, I buy them from a shop in Instagram, Beddings by Wariti. I think it's called Beddings by Wariti. Yeah, that's where we buy our beddings from. Okay, now let's head to my bedroom, the master bedroom, which is right beside this one. Yeah, so this is my bedroom. We have shoes there, and this is my bed, our bed. It's a 6 by 6 bed, quite huge. We bought it from the supermarket, and the beddings also are from Wariti beddings. And on this side here is our coffee table. Like you saw, our living room space is small, and this table wasn't fitting there, so we brought it here. So it also acts as a study table for the kids. This is where they do their homework from. This is our closet space. It is not well arranged. I won't lie to you that it is well arranged, no. So down here, these are body oils, my face routine items. And then when you open these doors like this, these are my clothes and hubby's clothes. Yeah, the storage space is quite small, and that's how that's how the place looks. We've really tried to divide the space because we had to fit all our clothes in there. Then when you come this side, here is our master bathroom. This is how it looks. So that's the toilet, the soap holder, and we have here the mirror that has the same problem with the one in the living room. So this organizer here, this one, those who have been on my channel already know it. I want to place it over there so that we can put our bathing stuff there. Yeah, so basically, this is how the bathroom is. And on the floor, still the same grout problem. I totally scrubbed these stains here thinking that they would go away. And it's when my hubby told me that they can't come off. So nika relax. Anyway, so that is how the bathroom is. So that's our house tour, guys. This is what God has blessed us with, and we are happy, contented, and grateful for the blessings that God has bestowed in our lives. He has provided for us in ways we can't imagine. And for you, my viewers, may God bless you abundantly. The day that I